Fire away.
So even though I'm the gardener, I'm the farmer, I'm the guy who's trying to take care of the soil and bring in different people and train people to work on it, really the whole thing starts with gratitude. When you go and pull off the lovely corn hair off the top of the corn, and you taste it and you see that it's sweet, before the corn's even ready, there's like a sign that there's going to be sweetness coming. To me, it's all about gratitude to the Creator and to the planet, to the natural environment we found around us. That food just comes to us. It's for us just to join in. Agriculture is us building a culture of accepting the gift of food and finding ways to use our own human skills, our brains and our bodies to take care of the earth so it continues to produce. When I'm walking through a field and I'm looking around, a lot of what I'm doing is just observing. I'm trying to find out what kind of stuff will grow here, what's already growing. So from the corn and beans, native traditions of Three Sisters. There's also dill. I have a lot of permanent crop of dill over here that's growing, that grows every year. And it never changes, it's always there. So for me, I think starting out in the field, there's a place within creation of being grateful to the Creator for giving all the food that there is. And the skill is really learning your place as a human in growing the food. Finding a place between the earth and the sky where humans have a space. And our job is to take care of the plants, do a bit of tending, but also not to interfere too much, because the plants do a lot of the work on their own. They feed each other, they pollinate each other, the insects come along and help with that, animals do that, and we're just finding our place in that as well, so that we are joining in with being grateful for the food that comes anyhow, but joining in with putting our energy in where it's needed to provide food for one another. And once again, that also comes back to making a habitat for, you see the butterflies flying around here, and the dragonflies, and there's frogs and bunnies and coyotes and deer all come through here. And each one of those is having a home provided for it by some of the agriculture we do. So that's what agriculture looks like for me in this urban setting, is taking some city land that was lying basically fallow and causing a lot of extra use of oil just to cut the grass. And now we've reduced the oil usage and we've started to reclaim it, and it's a living system that we have to be part of.